Oh, you silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain!
I'm sorry, but you didn't have to say something mean.
Oh dear, Ulipom feels terrible.
Oh, no. I didn't mean it. I wasn't talking about Ulipom. I meant I am the silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain for falling on the twig. Me.
Everyone makes mistakes, Ulibean, but words can hurt.
What am I going to do?
How about you apologise? Then maybe Ulipom will forget about the whole thing.
Nothing is ever forgotten out here. They come close to troll territory and don't know a sticky oopsie weed when they see one.
A sticky whatsy what?
Oh, boy. Yes!
Oh, a sticky oopsie weed.
You silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain! I'd never say that about Ulipom.
I know you didn't mean it.
To me, Ulipom is always a silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain. I didn't say that. Did you say silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain?
Was it me? No. It must be
Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain.
the trolls.
Wasn't us, was it, Glumph? It was the sticky oopsie weed, see?
What's a sticky oopsie weed? Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain.
Mo, the sticky oopsie weed is copying what Ulibean said.
Very much like a parrot.
Skaitha, hand that over right now.
You want it? You got it! Yeah.
Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain.
Huh? Oh
Ooh.
no. Are you okay? Where did it go?
Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain. Huh?
It seems the sticky oopsie weed is stuck to Ulibean's bottom.
What?
That's the thing about sticky oopsie weeds. They stick.
Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain.
Bottom emergency fixed.
Oh, the other thing about sticky oopsie weeds is that they spread.
Uh-oh, they're spreading.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain. I didn't say that.
Freeze! We have to get rid of the oopsie weeds, but very carefully.
Affirmative, Alva.
Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain.
Oopsie weed alert. Right here.
We did it, Ulibean. Well done. Huh? What? How did they get there?
Nothing ever really goes away around sticky oopsie weeds. Nothing ever really goes away around sticky oopsie weeds.
Uh-oh.
Ulipom. She's just over there. She'll hear what I said again and again and again and again.
Poor Ulibean. We need to hurry. Mo, let's try everything we can. La 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 la.
Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain.
Yes. Huh?
Gizzlebrain.
Phooey. This is a tricky situation.
Alva, you never give up.
Of course I'm not giving up, but I can't make what Ulibean said go away. Sometimes it's not so easy to take something back. Bad things can spread, even if we didn't mean it. Nothing ever really goes away.
Ooh, what was that?
Look, good things can spread too.
But the shells are already filled with Ulibean's words.
And Ulipom is almost here.
I need you all to think of nice things. Then we'll all sing them together, loud enough so all the shells get filled with nice things.
Unfortunately, Alva, I can't.
Sure you can, Mo. 3, 2, 1. I like being happy, happy, happy.
Please place me in a dust-free environment. Consult the manual.
You're lovely. I'm sorry. Hooch berries are delicious.
Please
I'm
place
trying to
me
ruin
in a
our fun.
dust-free
I'm sorry.
environment.
My feet are smelly, and I like it.
I need to say sorry now, Alva. Do you think your plan worked?
There's only one way to find out.
Oh, you...
Were you going to say something?
I just want to find the right words, Oolipom. Sometimes it's not so easy to take things back. I didn't mean to call you a name earlier. I was calling myself a name for being so clumsy. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't say hurtful words at all, even about myself.
Oh, Uli Bean, everyone makes mistakes sometimes.
That's what Alva said. We're the best of friends, Oolipom.
Yes, all forgiven, all forgotten.
So regal.
So strong.
So, what they said.
Mayor Garth?
Oh, hi, Alva. What do you think? Apparently, all the mayors dress like this now.
Oh, right. Well, do you like it?
You look amazing. I have a green nose of my own at home.
You look like an emperor.
Totes Marilicious.
Oh, yeah, totes. Whatever they said.
Well, I guess you know more than me.
Exactly. No need for these now. You make sure nothing happens to this bin, Glumph.
These clothes makers are an awful lot like sway makers.
Mayor Garth, your Gizmoing ceremony?
Oh, of course. Well, thank you for your kind work. It's time to go. Bye.
Happy Gizmoing!
Have fun.
Oh, yeah, like that's going to happen.
Mayor Garth? Is that you?
Doesn't he look great?
Oh, it's totally, styling.
I really liked your old clothes.
Well, now they're in a bin in the Ooly La La shop. There's no going back.
Mo, why do all the Blobbos like such a crazy outfit?
If the Blobbos think Mayor Garth is happy, then they are happy.
But is Mayor Garth happy? I think these sway makers are swaying the Blobbos.
Oh.
So exciting!
We could always do it tomorrow, Mayor Garth.
Oh, an Ooly Mare never breaks with tradition.
Okay, Mayor. Ready when you are.
Oh, my.
Mayor Garth!
What? It was my new robe.
Affirmative. I detect it is part of the design.
Okay, let's try again.
I'm not sure about this.
Oh, Mayor Garth. We can't gizmo you with your chain of office if you're not happy.
I'm not. That's it. I've had enough. I don't like these clothes.
Okay, Mo. Time to pay Uli Lala a visit.
He looks like a giant pea.
No, Mayor. No gizmoing ceremony. What mischief?
A brilliant plan, Skater.
Of course! Trolls!
It seems Troll Glump is still sitting on the bin guarding the mayor's clothes.
Mo, can you create a diversion so I can get the mayor's clothes back?
Affirmative, Alva.
Gripeweed gruel? How did that get there?
Who cares? Mischief makes me hungry. Oh, gripeweed gruel.
Me first.
Out of my way! Move! Out of my way! It's mine! It's mine! It's over!
Thanks, Mo. Let's get out of here.
Where did it go?
Glump, you left the bin unguarded!
Please come out, Mayor Garth. I have your old clothes.
But that's the problem. People will think I'm unstyling.
It doesn't matter what other people think, Mayor Garth. It's what you think that truly matters. I know just how you feel. I don't like these green eyebrows. I want my old ones back.
That's better. I feel like my good old self again.
Mo, I think the Blobbos are really, truly happy for Mayor Garth now. Ready?
Ready?
How dare they be happy?
I can't get my wig off.
La 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 la.
Hi, Uli Bean. Why are you waving a stick at the Blobbos?
That stick is called a baton, which Uli Bean is using to conduct an orchestra of Blobbos.
That's right! Mayor Garth knows I love making music, so he asked me to come up with a Blobbo symphony for the turning on of the fountain.
Wow, that sounds really important.
It sure is. I've spent ages coming up with the most oolerific tune ever. La 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 la. Aha! All done. Oh, phew.
That sounds great.
Thanks, Alva. Now, time for lunch.
Maybe you should write the tune down so you don't forget it.
Don't worry, Alva. I'd never forget such a catchy tune.
Won't forget the tune, huh? We'll see about that. Now, who's on for ruining the fountain ceremony?
Trolls, what are you up to?
It's a brand new business venture. Welcome to the Trolls and Tunes Cafe.
Trolls and tunes?
Yes, indeed. Would you like to hear our musical menu?
And special today is rather special, I'd say.
Bog bugs in hay. What do you say?
Bog books and hay? I'm sure it's very nice if you're a troll, but...
Oh, clumsy me. Let me sing you a song of apology. Oops, I spilled the water, the water, the water. Oops, I spilled the water on you.
Hey, you're not gonna order nothing?
Sorry, no. I better catch up with Uli Bean.
Goodbye. Come back soon to Trolls and Tunes.
Cafe.
Trolls and Tunes Cafe? More like Trolls Out of Tune Cafe. Aw, what's wrong, Uli Bean?
Oh, Alva, I just had to get away from that awful singing.
Me too. I think they were doing it on purpose. I wonder why.
Wait an Uli moment. What was my symphony tune again? La la, oops, I spilled the bog bugs. Oh, no, that's not it. Our special today is la la, rather special, I'd say. Ah! All I can remember are those awful screeching troll tunes.
Wait, maybe I can remember it. Trolla, come back soon to Trolls and Tunes. Uh-oh.
Our plan worked.
All the silly singing has made that ooly-fooly forget his Blobbo symphony.
What am I gonna do?
I know how you feel. It's so frustrating to lose something you've worked so hard on. Wait, we mightn't be able to remember it, but we weren't the only ones that heard your tune today. Come on. Maybe the Blobbos will remember your symphony. Can you ask them, Mo?
Sure. Blip, 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 blip.
That doesn't sound right.
It seems that each Blobbo only knows their individual note and colour, but not in the right order. Uli Bean tells them when to play their notes.
Oh.
Try taking a deep breath, clear your mind. Maybe that would help?
Ooh, that did help. I think it's coming back to me.
It's truly oolerific. Wow.
I don't like to brag, but it was a bit easy to make.
Mayor Garth? Uli Bean made this.
Uli Bean? But I thought...
Did Uli Bean put these stickers on then?
He did not place the stickers.
See? They admit it. And it's got my favorite head on after all.
Humble Bluff, you know that.
That she made it? Yeah, she does.
No, I was going to say that.
It looks lovely. Thank you, Alva. See, Mayor Garth?
No, only Uli Bean could carve something so lovely.
Huh?
Oh. Well, I suppose you should be very proud, Uli Bean.
Oh no, not that one. The trolls made that.
That's right. We made this.
Well, I suppose you must be the winner.
You made that, Uli Bean. It's not right for someone else to say they did. It's stealing your work. Oh, it's a bit like Nessa thinking I drew a picture when I didn't.
I spent ages making all those carvings. It feels sad in my belly when someone else says they did it.
All those carvings? Uli Bean, we'll make your belly better. Stay here. I'll sort this right out.
I'm sorry. I might not be able to get a treat for you after all.
Did Uli Bean make all of these?
Yes, this flutterfly even makes music like the mood blossom carving.
Oh.
See? Uli Bean must have made that mood blossom.
I believe Uli Bean, but I need to show the town and those trolls proof that it is definitely something he made.
Hang on. It's a special signature. It's on all of Uli Bean's work. There's the proof. Now we can prove the carving is Beans. Follow me.
Huh? What's going on? Yes! It's time I told them exactly how I feel. Thanks, Mood Blossom. Wait for me!
Mayor Garth, this carving must also have Uli Bean's signature. Right. Oh, it's just under the sticker.
No way. You can't ruin an artist's work.
But we have to find the truth.
The Gizmo rules of artsy craftsies say that no one can touch an artist's work without the artist's permission.
Which means it's time for you to pay up, Mayor.
What can I do, Alva? I have no choice but to hand over the Gizbits and display this in the fountain.
Wait an Uli moment. That's my carving. Let me show you.
Shh, zip it. We won. Now hand over the Gizbits.
Hang on. That's only 5.
It's not even real money.
Oh, these are better. Made from natural pooch berries grown right here in Gizmo. Good for the tum-tum.
Do not fret, Uli Bean.
The fountain? This sprays water.
Watch.
Oh.
My hand! It's all wet!
It's not the only thing that's wet. Those are paper stickers.
Aha! It's my signature! treasure! Don't look there! Don't look!
Ooly Bean's signature. He did make this. There's the proof.
Yes!
No, not fair!
Oh,
This was all your idea, Skaver.
You always try to blame me for the bad ideas.
you've earned these poochberry glazed gizbits, Ooly Bean.
Oh, my favorite! Thanks, Mayor Garth.
And they're good for the tum-tum.
As it happens, my tummy's feeling quite all right now.
That's because we set things right. It was wrong for the trolls to say they made something they didn't.
Oh, yeah.
I got a treat for you after all. Thank you for inspiring me. And thank you, Alva, for helping out.
You're welcome. We'll see you again soon. Okay, Mo, time to go.
Goodbye.
Bye! How strange. Where is everybody?
It is quieter than usual.
Maybe they're playing a game.
Quite possibly. We did play Uli yodeling last time we were here.
Yes, great idea, Mo. They'll have to reply if they hear us yodel. Uli, 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 ho, ho.
It's a deal of a lifetime, wouldn't you say?
Totally amazing.
A lifetime supply, Mayor Garth.
How pretty would these twinkle stones look in Gizmo Town Hall?
Mayor Garth, I think I heard Alva arrive.
All we're requiring in return is for each of you to shout out your name while simultaneously smelling a blackberry flower. Just to make it all official, according to the troll rules of flim-flams and hoodwinks.
I'm allergic to swapberry dust.
To be clear, this is a blackberry flower, not a swapberry flower.
You have yourselves a deal.
All together, say your names into the plap flower. It worked!
We're Oolies now.
And they're trolls.
Alva's Uli Yodel.
Maybe she can help.
Oh, Alva, you've no idea how glad we are to see you.
They made us smell a flower.
For a card of twinkle stones.
That we don't even want anymore.
Something's not right, Mo. Why are the trolls acting like that?
It would not be the first time a troll has tried to trick someone.
But it's almost like they were happy to see us. Please excuse us for a moment. The best way to avoid being tricked by trolls is to ignore them.
Where has Alva gone?
Let's get out of here, Mo.
When you're in the mayor's body, you can open the mayor's office.
Let's make mischief.
That's a lot of noise coming from Mayor Garth's office.
It does not sound very mayoral.
The weirdest thing just happened.
Huh? Alva? What are you doing here?
Mo and I bumped into the trolls. They're behaving really strangely.
Yes, the trolls. She doesn't know. Don't believe a thing they say. It's just their latest cunning trick, no doubt. Now, run along. I got lots of Mary-type things I gotta do. This is Uli only business.
But I wasn't finished telling...
Goodbye.
They're wrecking the office. Something's definitely off. Let's go look for those trolls. Maybe they can explain why everyone is acting so strangely.
Still no sign of Alva. She could be anywhere in Gizmo by now.
Wait, I have an idea. Didn't Alva Uli yodel to find us earlier?
Yes! Let's Uli yodel to find her.
Uli, 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 ho, ho!
But what if she runs away again?
Let's hide, just in case.
I think I've figured out what's been happening, Mo. It's okay, you guys. You can come out now. Pom, Mayor Garth, and Bean. I'd recognize those Uli yodels anywhere.
Oh, Alva, yes! It's me, Pom.
What happened, Pom? There's 3 Uli lookalikes wrecking the mayor's office.
The trolls tricked us with a swapberry flower in a purple and orange pot.
I saw a pot of flowers on your desk. I bet if we can get to it, we can switch you back to your own bodies.
Alva, might I remind you that the trolls locked the office from the inside?
Well, these troll hands won't work with the palm reader. But the Ulivator can take us to my office. Ulivator, the mayor's office, please.
The mayor's office requires a password.
All Summer's Eve.
Hey, that's your birthday.
Oh, happy birthday!